Good morning, grade 7. We are doing set 42. Question first we have already done in the class. Now we'll be doing question number 2. Okay. In question 2, they have given it is a word problem. Question 2 says, I am reading from the textbook. If the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. So circumference is given as 176 centimeter and we have to find its radius. Now we know formula to find circumference is 2 pi r, or you can use as pi d, but we want to find radius, so I am using 2 pi and r. Now how much is circumference? Is 176. So I am putting 176 is equal to 2 into. I told you pi value you should be taking 22 upon 7 or 3.14 as per your convenience into r. Okay, we want to find radius, so I am keeping r this side. It will be equal to 176 as it is. 7 is in division, here it will go in multiplication. Upon, these two are in multiplication with r, they will go in division. It is 2 into 22. I hope this is clear, everybody. Now let us cancel. 2 1s are and 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 8s are 16. And again 16, so again 2 8s are 16. Then 11 2s are, 11 8s are, 2 1s are and 2 4s are 8. So we have 4 into 7. So radius remains 4 into 7 upon 1 into 1. So this comes out to be 4 7s are 28 and unit is centimeters. That is your radius. Is this clear? So we got radius as 28 centimeters. I hope it is clear. Shall we go to the next problem now? Now look at the third problem. See, third problem is radius of a circular garden is 56 meters. So radius is 56 meters it is given. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? Now see, 4 round of fence. Fence means in Marathi we call it as a kumpan. Alright. Okay. Now for example, this is the shape of the garden we can see. Okay. And for example, this is 1 round of fence I have put. That means this is equal to 1 circumference. If 4 round of fence I have to put a wire or whatever it is, it would be 4 times the circumference. See, from here if I start, I have put 1 round. That becomes 1 circumference. Like this 4 rounds I have to go. That means how much it will be needed? It is 4 times the circumference. I hope you are understanding what I want to say. Okay. So what is the cost to put 4 round of fence? Maybe it is a wire or anything, hard substance. But 4 rounds we have to put. That means 4 times of circumference. So fence we are going to put 4 times. So first we will calculate. First we will calculate circumference and then multiply it by 4. That will give us what is the total length required to make a fence. And that we are going to multiply with 40. That will give us what is the cost required. So let us first find out circumference. Circumference is again 2 pi r. So circumference will be 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 56. So 7 1s are and 7 8s are. So this becomes 22 into 2 is 44 into 8. So 8 4s are 32. Again 8 4s are 32, 33, 34 and 35. So 352 meters is 1 round of fence, circumference. So 1 round of fence is equal to 352 meters. Are you understanding me? 1 round of fence is 352 meters. Now 4 round of fence will be equal to 4 into 352. This much fence will be required. So that is 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12, 13 and 14. So this much meter of fence is total fence which is required. Now 1408 meter of fence is required. But 1 meter of fence costs how much? 40 rupees. So these many meters will be these many into 40. Are you understanding me? So we are going to find out the total cost which is required. So let us find the total cost. You may pause the video. I am erasing the top portion and take it down. Alright. So what we are going to write over here is cost is equal to length into rate. So total length we can say, total length. So total length is equal to the circumference itself. So total length is 1408 into rate is 40. Alright. So let us first multiply by 4 and then give one more 0. That will give you the cost. Alright. So let us find out the cost which is required. Again 4 8s are 32. 4 zeros are 0 and 3, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 and 5 and this 0. So total cost is equal to rupees 56,300. I hope it is clear. Have you understood? Total cost becomes 56,350. 320. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Okay, so we have solved 2 problems. That's all for today, students. We will go by 2 problems. You take it down. Last problem is remaining, that we will do in the next period. Okay, so that's all for today. Stay safe, stay home, and please study well. Thank you.